Today we are going to discuss about the fundamental definition of vector algebra. In that topic we are going to discuss about the different kinds of the vectors like negative vector, equal vector, unit vector, co-initial and co-linear vectors. So let's start with the negative vector. Two vectors are said to be negative vector if they have the same magnitude but different or opposite direction. Assume we have any vector having a dimension a and direction is along the x-axis. On the same time we have another vector, but that vector having a equal magnitude but direction is opposite. At that time that vector is represented like this. Now the tail is on this side, head is on this side, which is represented by a vector with a minus sign. Minus sign is representing a negative direction or opposite direction. So that is called as a negative vector. A vector having a same magnitude but opposite direction, that is called as a negative vector. Equal vector. Two vectors are said to be equal if they have a same magnitude and same direction. Come with the first vector. The first vector having a dimension, any dimension a, and direction is along the positive x-axis. And there will be another vector. That vector having a same magnitude, same direction. At the time that two vectors are said to be equal vector. Clear? So what is the unit vector? The unit vector is that vector in which vector is divided by its magnitude and represented by a cap. Like this, where a vector is a vector, it is divided by its magnitude, that is called as a unit vector. Clear? In a Cartesian coordinates, unit vectors are I cap along x-axis, j cap along y-axis, k cap along z-axis. Clear? Now come to the point co-initial. Co-initial. What is the meaning of co-initial? It is somewhere is showing as a initial point. So means two vectors are said to be co-initial if they have a common initial point. Like this. Assume we have this vector along the x-axis, and we have another vector from a same point along the z-axis plane, y-axis plane. So we have two vectors like that. At the time, if you see both the vector having a common point, so that vectors are said to be co-initial vectors. Like this, we have a vector b along x-axis, we have a vector a along any particular direction. O is origin, or initial point of a and initial point of the b are common. So that means it is called to be co-initial vector. Whereas the collinear vector, two vectors having equal or unequal magnitude, which either act along the same line, that is called as a collinear vector. What it means? Assume we have a long line, straight line. So what happened at the straight line? We have one vector like that, and on the same point we have another vector like this. Might be we have another vector like this. Means on a same line, if same line two or more vectors are lining on a straight line or acting along a same line, that vectors are called as a co-linear vectors. Clear? So example I have represented here, a vector and a b vector. So that is the basic of the fundamental definitions of vector algebra. Hope you understand the video, you like the video. If you like the video, hit on the subscribe button and one like please. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.